Today I'm going to talk about the Mini Dragon Pocky handheld console I have, part of the brand's summer promotion to boost sales. I didn't have high hopes for this price, but after trying it out, I was pleasantly surprised. It's really exquisite and has a great design. The whole machine weighs 258 grams, which is quite light in the hand, and I don't feel tired even after playing for a long time. What attracts me most is the Tsushi crystal front cover, which can be removed and replaced by yourself, which is perfect for people who like to tinker. The screen is a 4-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 960 by 720, a 4:3 aspect ratio, and a brightness of 450 nits. This aspect ratio is very friendly to retro games. When playing old games like FC, GBA, APS, and 1, it can basically achieve point-to-point display. The control feel is something I care about. This machine uses Hall effect joysticks, which theoretically won't drift and will have a longer lifespan. In actual use, the joystick travel is quite smooth, the angle is quite large, and the responsiveness is good. The ABXY buttons and the D-pad are made of conductive rubber, and the buttons have a consistent feel and a comfortable rebound. In terms of performance, it is equipped with an RK3566 processor, 1GB LPDDR4X RAM, 8GB eMMC storage, and this configuration is great for playing GBA, APS, and FC. PS1 and arcade platforms work perfectly, and PSP games are also playable. The system is based on Linux and features a self-developed Dragon OS interface that's quite simple, a rare feature at this price point. The system also supports online OTA updates. Just connect to Wi-Fi to update directly.